there's this big bridge that goes all the way across the Pacific Ocean to the other ocean to Houston for a little crack. But this is a movie of the bridge that took the trains down cars. The carway was tiny. The train track was huge. There was 2 train tracks, one going this way and one going that way. So it's pretty good. And there was also. And it also curves around a lot of stuff. And we'll show you the real bridge in a minute. Right here. Here's the real bridge. And you know what? We're filming a picture from up high on a helicopter, so it might look like it's a little high. And that was that's the highest part. And you know what? They sent the caissons all the way back into the continental plates, so they will be sure that the bridge won't fall down. And it also carries trains and cars at the same time, so they had to do that. And you know what?
What was that word you said? Caisson? What's a caisson?
A caisson is the part of the bridge that goes, the part of the column that goes into the water. How you build a caisson, you put large barrels of oil as big as your house, and as big as your house, as long as your house thing, and the concrete barrel, and then they roll out, float out while they're going to build the bridge and sink it down, and then puncture cut holes in them, and so it doesn't want to float up again, and then keep building on top of the caissons. That's how you get a bridge.
Oh, that's how you build the columns for the bridge. I see. Wow, well, it's a pretty impressive bridge. So where does this bridge go from, and where does it go to?
It goes from Denver and to Houston.
Oh, well, why do we need a bridge from Denver to Houston?
Because some people want to just go from Denver to Houston by train and by car and by bus.
But usually you have to build a bridge over water. I thought your bridge went over the water.
It does go over water.
What water does it go over?
The ocean water.
Which ocean?
The Pacific Ocean.
Wow, well, it's a pretty cool bridge.
And you know what?
Should we make a movie from the beginning to the end? We'll pretend the camera is a car.
Okay, so it goes into the tunnels. Now the helicopter is lifting the camera, and this is the end where it starts. This is where it starts, and that's where it ends.
Is this the end of the movie?
Not yet, no. But you know what? It doesn't even go all the way to Houston. It just goes to the beaches. Then the train travels onto the beach land, and then travels to somewhere by the airport, and that's where it stops.
Why don't you take the camera and you can drive it as a car, as if it was a car on the track.
And actually, I'm driving it as like it was a helicopter camera being carried by a helicopter.
Okay. Okay. Well, y'all cut.
Cut!
What does that mean? Does that mean the end of the movie?
That means the end of the movie.
Roll credits.
Roll credits.